Assalamu alaikum friends. I hope you all are well. My today topic is command prompt part 2. In my last video I will show you some commands for command prompt, and today I will show you more commands for command prompt. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with other people and like the video. So we are going to topic. Here I am pressing Windows R button and type CMD for command prompt window. Command prompt windows is open here. My first command is path ping, and there is I am writing down here how commands, when you typing path ping, the commands work like test the connection to a specific IP address. To find a specific IP address, that command test path ping. And the f-type command display file type and mapping. Netset command display TCP IP connection and status. Defrag command is draftman media command. Here all I am writing down here. Driver query display install driver and their properties in your laptop or a computer. Mode command configure interface devices. Mount volume wall command assist assign delete drive mount points. GP result display group policies. GP update command for updating group policies in your systems or laptop. Performance stop performance monitor. And rich command add read import export registry adding. So we are going for our first command. First command is path ping. Path ping command, and I am writing down here Google DNS 8.8.8.8. So here our first command is path ping. So we are typing here path ping, and I am typing here Google DNS. Tracing route to DNS Google, and our maximum of 30 hosts, and this is my laptop ID and static IP, and they are going to trace out all 30 hosts from where I am going to hit Google. Computing setting statics for 275 seconds. So this is what path ping command doing. If you want to check any IP address and IP hosts, you can use path ping command. And our next command is f-type. So I am typing f-type command, our second command, f-type. And this will display file type and mapping, all files in your system and the mapping of your files in your system. This command will show you all these things. And the other one is netstate. I am typing netstate command and hit enter. This command show you display TCP IP connection and status. This command show you the TCP IP connection and their status, the connection is stable or not. Time here is some time wait, establish time wait. You can see your network is stable or not for this command. These all are active connection on your network. And the other one is defrag. This command for defragment of media. There are all your media in your laptop or a computer. Show you media and values and description here. All these things are show. And the other one I am typing here CLS for clear the command prompt. Driver query. This command show you all driver in your laptop and their queries. Here display installed driver device and their properties. All these things they will show you in your command prompt. Here I am typing again. Here you can see here all the drivers and their properties and the location and is a kernel or a file system. All typing here, file type, device type, driver type, link, date, on which date you install, display name, driver name and model name. This command is driver query command. CLS for clear command prompt. And the other one is mode command, configure interface and devices. You can use mode command for configure interface and devices. Here the status of drives, devices count, lines, keyboard rate, code pages, printer output is being rerouted. So this command for this. And the mount vol command for assign and delete drive mount points. You can assign and delete drive mounts from this command. Mount vol and here all the drives in your system show you DL path P on volume specification. All these things you can do with this command. The other one is GP result. This command will show you the display you all the group policy. GP stands for group policy and this command will show you display you group policies, how many group policies run in your system. So typing here GP result. Here all the group policies are here and their parameter list, system specified, all things are here. If you want to update your GP, if you want to update your group policy, you can put the command GP update and your group policy is updated. GP update. I think I am writing wrong command. GP here you can see here GP is updating policy. Computer policy update has completed successfully. This command for GP update. And the second last one is performance start performance monitor. If you want to see performance monitor, you can just type in command prompt performance and the performance monitor is start. Here you can see the performance monitor windows is open after typing this command. The command is performance. And the last one is rig for add, read, import, export registries and entries. I am typing here rig, our last command, cls for clear command prompt, and then typing rig value type. If you want to see what rig command do, and you can see any other command, just / and put question mark and hit enter, and you can see here all the operations and query, save, compare you can do from this command. So my today topic is command prompt. If you like this video, friends, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.